This tutorial will show you how to add a citation from a Gale database to an MLA Works Cited page using Microsoft Word in the desktop app. If you are following along as you work, make sure your document is open on your desktop. This is the article I want to cite next. In Gale, the citation tools are located at this top right toolbar. Once I click on that, I see an MLA 9 citation. I can click the Select button and return to my document. Control V will paste that citation into the document. To merge formatting, click this box that says Control and choose the second Merge Formatting option. I need to remove this long URL so that the citation looks neat. So I'm going to backspace and type DOI : then I need the document number. Returning to the database article, if I scroll to the bottom of the article, I can find the Gale document number. I need to highlight this piece, Control C to copy. Returning to the document, Control V will insert the number. Again, you want to merge the formatting. Add a period at the end. This article is out of alphabetical order in the document, so I'm going to highlight the article, hit Control X to cut, move to the top of the document, and Control V to insert. Now the different citations are in alphabetical order. The next element that needs to be corrected is this article title. I need to correct the capitalization. So I'm going to capitalize these words. At this point, my citation page is correct, and I can move on to my next article.